Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So today we are just gonna be playing some Roblox American Plains modding. Hopefully you guys know what American Plains modding is, cause we're gonna be playing it today. It's like a roleplay game. I think I've done it on this channel before. I'll move that. Wait. Alright, it's good like that. Alright. So here I am in the game. This is my private server. Let's open the doors. Let's get a vehicle. So today I'm just gonna like role play. I'm just gonna go have a nice little camp out by myself. So let's get a truck. Simple plain white truck. Alright. And then we go back in here to ask, I think that's the owner right there. Alright, and then we gotta ask him for a trailer. So which one do we want? We probably want this one because we're gonna store some cars on it. We're gonna store one car on it. Alright, let's go. So it should have just spawned. Okay, yeah, it did spawn over here. Alright, it's attached. So now let's bring it up to the front and let's get a car. Let's see what car we want to tow. It could be anything. ATV. Yo, this thing looks sick. Alright, we gotta get this thing. Yo, what is this? Holy, this thing is fast. Man, this thing is tough. We can do wheelies, yeah. Or wait, not wheelies. Spins. Alright, so let's get this toggled on. Let's E so that goes down so we can put this on here. Alright, we are out of here. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's go mudding now. So, I don't really know where all the mudding spots are in this game, so I'm just gonna look for some as I'm driving down the street, I guess. Make sure to stop at the stop sign. There's stop sign. Alright. Oh my god, this sun is so bright. Yo, I think there's some mud down here. Yo, is there? Oh god, what is this? What have I got myself into? There might be mud down here. I don't know. Alright. Let's just find some mud to get in. I don't know what this is. What am I in? I'm in a tree. I'm stuck in a tree. Oh my god, I'm actually stuck in the tree. Well, this is where this thing comes in hand. We're just gonna ride this thing now. E. So do that. Let's get. Where's all the mud? Okay, I'm gonna go find some mud. There's not really any mud over here. That's a lake. Is 24 really the max speed for this thing? low-key thought I could go faster. Right. Let's just drive around here. Let's just get up here. Do you think we can get up here, guys? Oh, nah, definitely not this part. Maybe. Well, let's get some speed. Let's get some speed. Let's get some speed. I wish there was like boosts in this game like Vehicle Legends. Oh my god, I'm so close. I'm legit so close. It's just naturally not enough speed. Maybe there's another way up. Oh my god, we just flipped it. Oh, it flips over. Oh, that's good. Wait, over the side. Stop flipping over, dude. Okay. Oh god. Whoa, we don't want to fall in the lake. We know what happens to people who fall in that lake. They do not come back to, they do not live another day. They do not live to see another day. Oh my god, let's get up. Yeah, we're not making it up. Dude, why is this so hard? Is it possible to get up this way? This way is even more impossible. Alright, I actually do think from the other side we can maybe get up. We just need more speed. We just need more speed. That's all we needed to begin with. Come on. Oh my god. My freaking dirt bike could do this, dude. Alright, come on. No. And immediately, the good thing about this is it immediately accelerates. Oh my god. You know what, guys? Let's just find somewhere else to go have fun in this game with. Where else is there to go in this game? Oh gosh. Big little deep little gash there. Right. Why can't I get up this? It's like a barrier block or oh, that's just a rock. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, actually, does this thing actually float? Yo, it kind of actually did float. Alright, anyways, we gotta get out of here now. It's not good. Dude, this is like a boat, I told you guys. This thing is actually him. It doesn't go fast enough for some things, but you know. Oh, no, we're cooked. Now, guys, where even is my truck? I forgot where my truck was. My truck could have actually made it up that hill over there. I wish they had dirt bikes this game. Maybe there is any dirt bikes. If there's any, like, American Plains modding experts, tell me a video idea to do in this game. I honestly don't really know what to do in this game. I just thought it would be a fun game. I thought it would be a good video idea is to play this game. Oh no. Come on, you gotta be a boat. Yep, and we just griefed it. Yeah. Wait, can we spawn cars over here? Wait, can we actually spawn pickups from over here? There's no way. Wait, what? I could have just spawned a pickup. Let's try to get up the hill now. No, I might actually be too weak. Come on, dude. Just let me get up the hill. So I'm making those little bus noises, I swear to God. Alright. Can there be boosters in this game? I need to get up. I'm going backwards. Come on. This game actually is, oh my God. How are you supposed to get up here with a pickup truck? I could even walk to the top. It's not even that hard. It's so easy that I could walk to the top. Bro, oh my God. Alright, anyways, guys, I think that was enough for the video. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Anyways, guys, I'm out.